Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a social media app in Thunkable. First, let's get started by setting up your project. Open Thunkable and create a new project. Select a blank canvas to give you full control over your app's design and features. This ensures you can tailor it exactly to your vision. Now, let's design the user interface. Drag and drop components such as buttons for actions, labels for text, and an image uploader for sharing photos. Arrange these elements logically on the screen. A list viewer is essential for displaying a feed of user-generated posts, making your app interactive and engaging. Next, we'll implement the core features. Connect your app to a database, like Google Sheets or Airtable, to store user data and posts. Set up blocks to allow users to create new posts, including both text and images. Crucially, enable the functionality for all users to view the posts shared by others, forming the social feed. Finally, let's add interactivity and prepare for publishing. Consider adding features like a like button or a comment section to boost engagement. Implement basic user profiles where users can see their own posts. Thoroughly test your app on various devices to ensure everything works smoothly before sharing it with the world.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.